So this is the third year that we've had an artist in residence at Bathurst High Campus. Happy Decay is an artist that we invited to work with us. The atmosphere that his work gives to the school, as his artist name suggests, it's very happy, uplifting.
Hi, how you going? My name is Happy Decay. I'm a street artist travelling around Australia, bringing happy vibes where I go. Woo!
The importance of artists in residence is the way it brings art and artists from outside schools into schools. It's a really great opportunity and a privilege to be able to invite an artist into our school for a whole week and to work with him.
I get asked a lot, how do I design my ideas and concepts and things like that? Probably a number of different factors. I do get input from the people who I'm working for, as well as the environment and the way that people will see the wall. Combining those two things together, I start developing visuals and sketches to show and then go from there. What got me into murals and large artwork? It's probably been a slow, progressive thing over the years. Through my travels, I got to experience some other artists who are out there who are doing large-scale work. And then just slowly, through friends and things like that, it just turned into a progression of being able to paint large-scale walls.
This morning we had a workshop with the artist in residence, Happy Decay, and he showed the students how to use a squiggle grid to enlarge their works. Being able to do that themselves on this wall, it was a really great skill for them to learn.
When I create my artwork, it probably goes back to that, influentials of artists I like. You got Lunik with his simple line work, and then you got Leonardo da Vinci with his more detailed kind of artwork. And whether I am sometimes just using basic shapes, or I am going, I want this bit more detailed. I kind of have a few different approaches, you could say, and sometimes I just go with it and see what happens. What kind of advice would I give to young people looking to do a career in art? I'd probably say one is find what you love doing most, and the second is start to learn about business. Find the passion about it and then start thinking about business side of things.